hard to, you're hard to, you're so hard to kill. You're so hard to, you're hard to, you're so hard to kill. Hard to kill. Drifting out in the dark, where you stop at start. It's a long way back to the light. A tasted so bittersweetly. Memories harbor deeply. In a dream there's a remedy, 'cause you're hard to kill. You're so hard to, you're hard to, you're so hard to kill. You're so hard to, you're hard to, you're so hard to kill. 'Cause you're hard to kill.
This is to end in fire. Then we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out, Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. And I see fire hollow and soul. I see fire blood in the breeze. But I hope that you remember me. Surely I'll do the same. Confined in mountain walls, go too close to the flame, calling out, Father, oh, hold fast and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. I see fire hollow and soul. I see fire blood in the breeze. And I hope that you remember me.
be broken, feelings intense, words are trivial, pleasures remain, so does the pain. Words are meaningless and forgettable. All I ever wanted, all I ever needed is here in my arms. Words are very unnecessary, they can only do harm.
credits all rolled down and crying, crying. You know we're playing to a full house. No heroes, villains, one to blame. While wilted roses fill the stage, and the thrill is gone. Our debut was a masterpiece, but in the end, for you and me, on this show, it can't go on. We used to have it all, but now's our curtain call. So hold for the applause.